How's it going, guys? We're over in Cave City, Kentucky, and this video is going to be a little bit different. It's kind of going to be like a vlog video. There's a kind of a Wild West attraction, as you can see back behind me. It's over here, just reopened this year, and we're actually going to let you see one of their stunt shows and gunfights, and a pretty interesting place. It's been here for years, and they recently reopened it. It was shut down for a while, but hope you like the video.
You're okay. You're so smart.
Get back in here! Get back in here!
Small ward town of Rio Leo's taken. 2 men you see in the center of the street. Well, that's Nathan, Walkie, and Ramsey. The Ramsey brothers are parasites. They live with a gun. Briefly, they were good at playing for Richie Good. While Nathan checked the money in the town, they themselves were pretty dirty. One fine look around, and Nathan slipped into the Wells Fargo office. In order to Tom Harris, the loan agent, to open the safe. Well, While this takes place, Joaquin carefully watches the street. After having forced Tom at gunpoint, Bill sat and lie on the floor and brought over and safe. Nathan rejoins Joaquin in the street.
Get out of here!
And almost as an act of God, office, and opened the trap door to the galley. So that Sheriff Ryder Claxton was speaking to Billy Walsh. It had taken the sheriff home for a few short hours to mount a posse and give chase to the outlaws. After several days, they managed to corner them in the Badlands ghost town, ironically named Better Days. In the ensuing gun battle, Nathan was taken prisoner. Joaquin once again managed to elude capture. Although not before he received a slight lead, old Nathan, he was brought back to trial right here in Rio Leo. The trial was brief. Several witnesses testified against him. The jury deliberated for less than an hour before returning the verdict of guilty. The judge had the proper delivery sentence to death by hanging. For all Nathan gets laughed and boasted that he never hanged, that his brother would return free, that he personally killed Judge Parker. Even as the ensuing days passed, Nathan pleaded unconcerned.
Yeah, boy, don't you worry about me. Got enough stuff back here.
Hearing this, Lisa Morgan,
What's she doing out there?
William Slaughter Boy,
Come here, thanks for your lady.
said was not.
Talk to me, I talk to you.
Joaquin, meanwhile, he rested in the bag for a few days. He had to before he be able to ride. You know, he slipped quietly into town in early 20 and made plans to free his brother. Now, Lisa Morgan, she made plans of her own. Plans that would ensure the hanging for staying on schedule.
You got any latest for us? Yeah, I got one. What's that? I like to see my brother. Yeah, there's a lot of people like to see your brother in this town. Hey, that's one. Walk in and get out of here!
What happened to him? Yeah, you
In the aftermath of the gunplay, found Lisa Morgan had made good her intentions, said Justice Dunn. When I learned that Joaquin, she called the outlaws aim to serve, crossed a fine line that decides where a man lives or dies. And Billy Walsh was struck by Joaquin's poorly aimed shot and fell against the lever, thus hanging at the ranch. Lisa Morgan will recover from her flesh wounds, but you know the scars left by Nathan and Joaquin Ramsey, well, they'll never heal.
Guys, hope you liked the video. Be sure to subscribe, check out the rest of the videos on the channel, and watch out for any gunfighters. See y'all later.